Your Oracle RAC has powerful servers, high-end storage, fast CPUs, but performance is still slow. Then you might be missing these three RAC tuning secrets: GC waits, network latency, overloaded node. These are the same problems that cause high waits, slow response time, and even node eviction in production RAC environments. In the next few seconds, let's fix that. If your Oracle RAC database suddenly becomes slow, check this first. GC waits. When you see waits like GC CR request or GC buffer busy, it means RAC nodes are spending too much time talking to each other. Instead of processing queries, they are waiting for blocks from another node. This usually happens because of hot blocks, poor SQL, or imbalanced workload. High GC waits can destroy RAC performance. Reduce node communication and RAC becomes much faster.
To check GC waits in Oracle database, DBAs commonly use these views, AWR reports, ASH, ADDM, OEM, such things. You can also check GC waits using this system event view.
Your Oracle RAC performance may not be database problem. It could be the network between the RAC nodes. RAC nodes constantly exchange blocks and cache information. So, if interconnect latency becomes high, block transfers also will slow down. So, high GC waits, slow block transfer, that increases response time, GC waits, and even risk of node eviction also. Even a few milliseconds of delay can hurt RAC performance. That's why production RAC environments use dedicated high-speed, low-latency private networks. Lower latency means faster block transfer, lower weights, and a more stable RAC cluster. So that is tip number 2. Coming to tip number 3, balance services properly. What is it? Let us discuss. One RAC node overloaded while another node sits almost idle. That is a classic RAC performance mistake. Node 1, it is having 90% load. Node 2, it is having 20% load. When services are not balanced properly, one node handles most of the workload. This might lead to high CPU usage, high GC waits, and slow response time. So these are all red flags with respect to performance tuning. And also, meanwhile, other RAC nodes remain underutilized. But when workloads are distributed evenly, CPU usage becomes stable, GC weights reduce, and RAC performance improves dramatically. Faster applications, better scalability, and a healthier RAC cluster. So these are the 3 tips you can remember while working on RAC environments with respect to performance tuning. Even this could be of some help while giving performance tuning interviews. You can at least have 3 tips for RAC tuning.
Explore our Oracle performance tuning and dimensional data modeling with eRWIN tool courses. Upskill with our video courses at your own pace and time. Courses are created with real-world scenarios and ready to work immediately by industry experts.